Hi everyone, welcome to this new video, and in this video I just want to give you some 5 websites where you can find datasets for your next machine learning project. So we all know data science is nothing without data. So if you want to create a project or let's say any application, data is a must and you can't even move forward in your project without data. So that's why I just want to give you some 5 websites where you can just find datasets, like free datasets for your next machine learning project. And so make sure to watch this video till the end. And yeah, without further delay, let's begin this. So first website is Kaggle. So if you are into machine learning field, there is no introduction required for Kaggle. And so just open Kaggle and here you can see the datasets column. And you can just go there and you can just find some thousands and thousands of datasets here, which you can just download it for free and you can just use it for your project. And also you can just see here, you can just filter out based upon the data that you just want. For example, let's say you are just building an NLP application, so you can see just use NLP and find data regarding that. And similarly you can just filter out and you can just download the data and you can just use it. So Kaggle is the platform which you can just use to find datasets. And the second one is papers with code. So actually in papers with code, mostly you will just find research papers. Not only that, even you can just find datasets here. You can download it and you can just use it. And here you can see the datasets field. And also you can just see the datasets which is available here. More than 6,000 datasets are available. And even here you can just filter out based upon the type of data you just want. For example, let's say if you require images, just click this. Or let's say if you just want text or let's say video format, audio, and you can just filter out based upon the data that you just want. And yeah, papers with code, you can just use it and you can just find the dataset. So, and the next website is OpenML, and just search openml.org. And on the top left you can just find the datasets section and you can just see there are more than 22,000 datasets available here. And even here you can just filter out based upon the dataset you just require. So you can just filter it. For example, let's say I will just try to give the target as binary classification or let's say multi-class. So yeah, based on this you can just filter out and you can just find the datasets. More than 22,000 datasets are available here, and yeah, you can just download it and you can just use it. And number 4 is UCI, like the University of California Machine Learning Repository. So you can just search UCI, or let's say I will just give you the link for this website in the description below. More than 600 datasets are available. Even here you can just filter out based upon the task you just want to perform, like let's say classification, regression, or let's say clustering. Whatever may be the task, you can just filter out based upon the task that you just want to perform, and you can just find the datasets here. You can just see I've just given clustering and you can just see the datasets here. And yeah, this is the 4th platform, like the University of California or like the machine learning repository. You can just find it and I will just give you the link in the description, so make sure to check that. And number 5 is, this is a GitHub repository, and you can just see the name of it. The name of this is awesome public datasets. So this is the GitHub repository. You can just find it. I will just give you the link in the description. And here, this is one of the best place where you can just get different kind of datasets. So you can see more than 50,000 people have started this repository, and you can just find datasets related to different fields. For example, let's say you just want to find datasets in agriculture domain, you can just find that, or let's say biology, climate or weather. So whatever may be the field, whatever may be the domain, you can just find the datasets here. Like you can just find that link to the datasets. For example, let's take education. So I just click education and you can just see the datasets which is related to education. We'll just click that called as scorecard data. And you can see it will just direct you to that website where the data is available. So this is the repository where you can just find links to various datasets. So this is one of the best repository if you just want to find datasets for your project. So these are the 5 websites where you can just find datasets for your next project. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. I'm just planning to create awesome content regarding machine learning and data science. So yeah, make sure to follow, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And also I've just given links to all these websites which I just mentioned here in the description below. So make sure to check that as well. And yeah, that's all for this video. We'll just see you in the next video. Until then, take care. And yeah, thanks for watching.